Hello everyone, it's Chadni here. Welcome back to my channel Super School. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. And today I'm back with another video, and which is of course a sequel to my previous videos of vocabulary learning. Yes, I am providing you with vocabulary tutorials where you can just sit at the comfort of your bed and watch the video and learn words in just 3 minutes. Or maybe a little more than that. Let's begin with the words. Adequate. Adequate is a common word that we tend to use if we want to express something like having sufficient qualification or sufficient amount, or to meet a specific task or purpose. For example, though his resume was adequate, the company doubted whether he'd be a good fit. Yes. So sometimes we can use it actually as a synonym of enough. So if we say, do we have enough money? We can say, do we have adequate money? Which one sounds better? You decide for yourself. Let's move on to the next word, which is advent. It's not that of a familiar word, but learning unfamiliar words are the most integral part of vocabulary. Advent is a noun which means the arrival or creation of something. The arrival or creation of something. The world has never been the same since the advent of the light bulb. Such a great invention, right? See? So advent means the arrival or creation of something, and you want to mention or express that this creation is very important and significant. So you will use this word to express something which is significant and important, like the way I have used in this sentence. Let me read the sentence again. The world has never been the same since the advent of the light bulb, which can also be a synonym to invention. So let's move on to the third one, which is adjective. And what is the word? The word is adversarial. Adversarial is an adjective which means relating to hostile opposition. Relating to hostile opposition. What do I mean by that? Let's understand it by the sentence. An adversarial attitude will make you many enemies in life. So it can be used as the synonym of negative. Yes. So we can simply replace it by a simple word, negative. A negative attitude will make you many enemies in life. But if we want to raise the standard of our sentence, then an adversarial attitude will make you many enemies in life. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I am going to cover 3 more new words in my next videos. So don't forget to follow my Facebook page as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.